Molecular formula C6H14 oxygen, 6H triplet, 4H sextet and 4H triplet. No significant delta value is given. Compound is not aromatic. If you calculate dB value you can see that it is 0. So compound is saturated as well as it is acyclic. Now logically the compounds with one oxygen can be aldehyde ketone, but they have carbonyl bond which is double bond. Since your compound having dB 0, so aldehyde ketone cannot be there. Moreover, remaining two possibilities are ether and alcohol. If you think about alcohol, then there is a one proton in the hydroxyl group, so there should be one separate signal for that, which is also not given. So before you start calculating the problem, you should determine that your answer must be ether. Okay, now 6H, there is no such group that having 6H, so it can be 2CH3. 4H, so 2CH2, because the only compound with the 4H is methane, and again 4H triplet, that is 2CH2 groups must be identical. So triplet means they should have CH2 at their neighboring position. This is the explanation for signal A. Signal B, 4H sextet. So here you can see that this signal B and having 3 plus 2, 5 neighboring protons. So as per n plus 1 rule, either it is a hextet or I told you that it can be sextet also. And 4H triplet. So similarly 2 CH2 groups should have neighboring 2 protons. So since it is ether, whatever we identified, it's common CH3, CH2, CH2 2 times, that is a C3H7. If you subtract, it is C6H14 because 2 times it is. Only oxygen is left, and by putting them together you will get this structure, di-normal propyl ether. Now I want to grab your attention on the signal delta of signal C, which is a 3.4 delta. Here you can see that this signal having 3.4 delta, which is a significantly high. Reason is that you can see that in the structure these two CH2 protons, which are identical, as well as they are attached with the oxygen, which is more electronegative atom. So we discussed this thing in theory, factors affecting chemical shift. When see, this is also CH2, this is also CH2, but see the difference in their delta value. Signal B delta is just 1.4, and signal C, as it is attached with the oxygen, so there is increment in the delta, which is up to 3.4. So this is the way you should think about it.